Today we are making yeast buns with fruit and crumble. I'm using rhubarb and strawberries. You can find the exact amount of ingredients in the description below the video. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Crumble 45 grams of fresh yeast into a bowl. Add a spoonful of sugar, a spoonful of flour, and half a glass of milk. Mix everything together and set aside for about 10-15 minutes to rise. Pour 550 grams of flour into a bowl. Add half a glass of milk and the risen yeast and start kneading the dough. When the ingredients are combined, add 80 grams of cooled melted butter. Knead everything into a uniform mass. It should not stick to your hands. If it does, sprinkle a little flour and put it back in the bowl and then divide into about 15 equal parts. You can make 12 depending on how many you need, then flatten them in your hands. They can be oblong or round, whatever you find easier to make. Then it's important. It is crucial to seal it properly to prevent any juice from leaking out of the buns during baking. We do this with each piece of dough. Apply it to the bottom, seal it gently, and then after sealing, we place it face down on some baking paper and set it aside to rise again. Up next, we spread the egg white we have left over, as we use the yolk for the dough, mixed with a spoonful of milk over the buns. Then we add the crumble, the ingredients for which are detailed in the description below the video. You can also make it without the crumble if you prefer. Afterwards, bake for about 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees until the buns are nicely browned and ready. You can sprinkle them with powder or icing. They're scrumptious.